Welcome to Ruki's Khana. Delicious food but less intensive. Today we are making a laddus that a little different from your regular besan or coconut laddu. We are using something as simple as rice and turning into a small and soft delicious laddu with a beautiful gulkan and coconut filling. Sounds interesting, right? So let's see how it be simple rice texture turns into this beautiful little laddu. Let's get started. First, take a pan and add some water. Now, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. You can give small or and give it a quick mix. Next, add our soaked rice and now let the rice cook nicely. We want the rice to become soft and well cooked because this is going to be the base of the laddus. So let it cook patiently and allow the rice to become nice and so soft, as creamy as the mixture of besan or simple laddus can have. Let it cook and mash them gently so that the rice becomes completely soft and absorb all those flavors that we have added. Once the rice is cooked nicely, add 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoon of ghee. Give everything a good mix. The ghee adds a lovely aroma and also gives the rice mixture a nice richness. Now cover the pan, lid. Once it's nicely cooked, take the pan off the stove and now our rice mixture is ready for the next step. We want rice cool as much as per your hands can tolerate the right shape of laddus. Now take a bowl and add gulkan. And because gulkan already has that beautiful sweet and floral flavor, it's going to make the center of our laddus extra special. Next, add grated coconut. Now mix both of them really well. Keep mixing until the mixture becomes a little thicker and less sticky. We want a filling that's easy to handle and can sit nicely inside our laddu, making out without any the mixture too messy. And honestly, gulkan and coconut together already smell amazing. Now comes the fun part and most satisfactory part, making the laddus. Take a portion of the cooked rice mixture in your hand. Now gently press it and flatten it out. And don't rush this step. Take your time and carefully spread the rice mixture into a small flat layer because this is where we were going to hide our delicious little surprise. Make sure the center is slightly spacious enough for the filling while the rice mixture around the edges stays intact. Now take a little bit of our gulkan and coconut mixture and place it right in the center. And here comes the fun part. Bring the edges of the flattered rice mixture together and gently cover the gulkan filling from all sides. Once the filling is nicely sealed inside, start gently rolling it between your palms and this it. Trust me, once you make the first one, the rest becomes super easy. Our delicious rice gulkan laddus are ready. Soft rice and outside with a sweet fragrant gulkan and coconut filling inside. It's simple, it's different, and most importantly, it's absolutely delicious. So if you have some rice at home and want to try something new, give this laddus a try. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget like, share and subscribe to Ruki's Khana. We will be back with another easy and delicious recipe. Until then, happy cooking and keep smiling.